pressure. Trying to work the puck on the half wall, goes blue line. And the shot from there on net hit the post. Did it go in? It did. Austin Strand may have his first as a T-Bird. The puck on the half wall, goes blue line. And the shot from there on net hit the post. Did it go in? It did. The puck on the half wall, goes blue line. And the shot from there on net hit the post. Did it go in? It did. Spokane shot. Left to the blue line, Moylan got it past Helgeson, racing out of his Vulcan. Moylan jumps up, Vulcan waits, finds him in front, fires a shot, and he will score! Tommy Moylan from Nolan Vulcan. It's 3-0 Seattle. Racing out of his Vulcan, Moylan jumps up, Vulcan waits, finds him in front, fires a shot, and he will score! And racing out of his Vulcan, Moylan jumps up, Vulcan waits, finds him in front, fires a shot, and he will score! Come on, side with the puck, and the shot to the net, off the post, kicks back up the other post, and somehow stays out. It wide on the shot, chased down the wall by Leduc, centered up front, the slot, shot, score. On the wall by Leduc, centered up front, the slot, shot, score. Kyler, high slot to Smith, give it up to Anderson Dolan, down low, Yamamoto in front, shot, score. Backdoor feed to Kyler Yamamoto. Dolan down low, Yamamoto in front, shot, score. Backdoor feed to Kyler Yamamoto. Gets it back on the wing from Kolasar at the circle. Saucer back to Bear on top, rips a shot, and it's score! They have been tipped in front by Alexander Drew. We'll see who celebrates on the flyby. On the wing from Kolasar at the circle. Saucer back to Bear on top, rips a shot, and it's score! Back on the wing from Kolasar at the circle. Saucer back to Bear on top, rips a shot, and it's score! From the wing, Mowbray in front, Rost in front of the net, and it's scrambling the crease, and somehow, some way, Ryland Toth kept that one out of the back of the Seattle net. It was like a ping pong ball in the crease. Bear back to Ottenbright, fires a shot on goal, blockered again, loose puck in front, shot, score! Ryan Grubb cleans up the rebound, and that line has finally scored a goal. Fires a shot on goal, blockered again, loose puck in front, shot, score! Ryan Grubb fires a shot on goal, blockered again, loose puck in front, shot, score! Ryan Grubb comes onside left wing to Woods. Woods looking to center the puck in front, knocked away again by Bear. Loose puck outside the near post, saved by Toth. Anderson Dolan in front to Austere, his shot, save again. Loose puck in the slot, shot again, knocked down in front by Seattle. Picked up. T-Birds are a perfect 2 for 2 on the power play. They get a third chance here with Keanu Yamamoto in the box for slashing at 11:09. Right. Right back to Barzell. Kind of a weak pass, but Barzell able to keep it onside for Seattle. Down low, Kolasar in front, one-time shot, and it's another power play goal. Alexander Drew gets his second of the game. 6-2 Seattle, and the T-Birds are 3 for 3 with a man advantage. They keep it onside for Seattle. Down low, Kolasar in front, one-time shot, and it's another power play goal. Alexander Drew. Down low, Kolasar in front, one-time shot, and it's another power play goal. Alexander Drew. Spokane 30-26. They lead it 6-2. Nyman looks to work to the net. His shot rolling in front. Shot, score. Nyman looks to work to the net. His shot rolling in front. Shot, score. Maybe at times, but good enough. Skated in by Wood. Try to center it. Punts across the slot. Shot, score by Kyler Yamamoto. By Wood. Try to center it. Punts across the slot. Shot, score by Kyler Yamamoto. And the horn will sound in this one. Final Seattle 6, Spokane 4. Seattle's winning streak now is 5. And in this stretch of 12 straight against the U.S. division, Seattle's records of the first 9, 7, 1, and 1. 15 of a possible 18 points in that stretch for the T-Birds.